If you're experiencing the EAFC25 Matchmaking Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear cache. For console users, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the cache through the EA app or your game launcher. Step 5. Check network connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router and check for any issues with your network. If possible, switch to a wired connection for better stability. Following these steps should help you resolve the matchmaking error. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance. Happy gaming!